Here's your cave, Chippy. Let's go in there a little ways. Yeah? Let's go in here just a little ways and see what we find. Hopefully we don't find an old bear huddled up in here somewhere. A rattlesnake. Cougar. Bats. There's a little dig hole. Lots of formica. See that? Let's see if I can get the light better. See that glittery stuff? That's all big flakes of formica. Chippy, this goes in here a ways, buddy. Somebody threw their trash in here. Is that better? You see that? I'm going to go till I hit water. Look at that. It goes quite a ways. And I don't see any light at the end. So I don't think it goes out. It's nice and cool in here. Check out these rock formations where they were digging it. There's water right there. That's where I stop. That's where I stop. But it goes a long ways back there, you guys. With this light, I can see at least another 100 feet. The lighting, I know, isn't all that great, but it's pretty cool. How somebody just came in here and chipped away at this. Wow. Yeah. I don't know how far it goes back. I don't see that it turns anywhere here. There's wider spots in it. Wish I had a laser. If I had a laser, we'd be able to see how far it goes, maybe. But it goes a ways. Like I said, I can see another 100 feet straight. Easy, another 100 feet. The flakes of formica in here are insane. Look at this big old flake of formica right there. Fool's gold right there. This right here, see it? Right here. Fool's gold. I want to go further, but I'm not into that water. Too cool. Too cool. The formica is just crazy in here. I just wanted to do this little video for Chippy. He's into old mining sites, stuff like that. Oh look, bird's nest. See it? Little baby bird's nest right there. About 30 feet in. Pretty cool. Light at the end of the tunnel, right? There you go, Chippy. Yeah, I ain't going in there in the water. Nope. That ain't for me, buddy. But it goes away, it goes in there a ways. And I'm pretty sure it doesn't come out. But you could wander around this. You could wander around this site and probably find, you might find a straight down shaft into it. And I would say that all this rock out here, this is all the tailings. This, I'll turn it, this out here, this is all the tailings that they dug out of there. For sure. And this is out in the middle of nowhere, you folks. This is the middle of nowhere. This cave was here long before this road that I'm driving on went in. See other test sites? I'm walking around just a little ways above that. Look at this. That's pure Formica. Look at that big old scale of Formica. Huh? You use that for signaling. Whoop, 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 whoop. This is another, looks like another test site right here. Where they just like dug in and see what was there. There's another one right over there, through there. But yeah, yeah, Chippy, you could wander around up on this knob right here. Or anybody else that wanted to check this out could probably come, you know, and look around. See if you could find any old remnants of anything. You could probably find remnants of stuff if you really wanted to go in there. But if you want to go in there, if anybody wants to go in there, bring some like rubber boots. Bring rubber boots, you know, that are like knee high or whatever. And go for it. It'd be super cool. I've never been all the way to the end of it. But it goes in there quite a ways. That's pretty awesome. Hear that? Yeah, see this nice creek right here? This is right below the, this is right just down the road from the cave. Person can wander up and down this thing, do a little gold panning, check out some great big cedars. These are nice cedars in here. Dandy cedars, dandy spruce, nice Doug fir. Pretty neat in here. Nice and cool right here in this little cedar draw. Looks like somebody must have been digging in the creek. Bunch of Formica. Pretty cool. Nice fire pit. Pretty awesome place right here. This is a pretty special place. This whole area right here. For you too, Johnny Arnett. Right? You know what I'm talking about. Check this out. Do some gold panning right here. Big old dead spruce leaning over there. And into that great big old dead balsam. Oh my gosh. That's a dandy right there. There's a few dead, big old dead balsam in here. Bust it off. Nice cedars. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Chippy, we love you, brother. I was hoping to get you up here this year at Tazapalooza just so you could see it and check it out. All right, love you all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling.